Welcome back, guys. Stonehouse Acres. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect firewood storage solution out of a 275-gallon IBC tote. Let's get after it. First thing up, we need to remove the cross members to get the bladder out. Next, we're going to fully remove the bladder. We're going to save this as we're going to use it. Using your handy Sawzall, we're going to cut out 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3, 4 over. This will give us a really nice access point for storing wood. So after making those cuts, here's what we're left with. Really nice access point. I can stack the wood neat and nice, and just allows for a lot easier grabbing and stacking. Next up is the bladder for water protection. We're going to cut the plastic bladder in half and use it as a topper. So this will protect the firewood from the snow and the rain. Just going to use a simple cut down the middle. All right, here's the finished product. Fits a lot more wood than just having a basic IBC tote. This topper is going to keep the snow, rain, and moisture off it. And these holes in the crate allow for really good airflow to dry it out. So I couldn't be more pleased. And let me know if you give this a try, if you have a better solution. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe.